GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a language model developed by OpenAI, one of the world's leading AI research organizations. GPT-3 is the third iteration of the GP series of language models, and it was released in June 2020. The model is based on a neural network architecture called a transformer, which is particularly well-suited for language modeling tasks. At a high level, GPT-3 is designed to generate human-like text by predicting the most likely next word or phrase given a prompt. This is done by training the model on a massive dataset of text, including books, articles, and websites, so that it can learn the patterns and structures of natural language. Once the model is trained, it can be fine-tuned on specific tasks such as language translation, question answering, and summarization. One of the key features of GPT-3 is its size. The model has over 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest language models ever created. This large size allows the model to generate text that is incredibly nuanced and varied, with a style and tone that can be tailored to specific contexts and purposes. Another important feature of GPT-3 is its ability to perform a wide range of natural language processing, NLP, tasks. In addition to language modeling, GPT-3 can also perform tasks such as language translation, question answering, summarization, and sentiment analysis. This versatility makes GPT-3 a powerful tool for a variety of applications, from chatbots and virtual assistants to content creation and language translation. One of the most impressive aspects of GPT-3 is its ability to generate text in a variety of styles and formats. For example, the model can generate natural language text that is indistinguishable from human writing, or it can generate code in a variety of programming languages. GPT-3 can even generate poetry and music lyrics, which has led to some fascinating and creative experiments with the model. GPT-3 has been used in a variety of applications since its release. For example, the model has been used to create chatbots and virtual assistants that can interact with users in a more natural and human-like way. GPT-3 has also been used for content creation, including writing news articles, blog posts, and social media updates. The model has even been used for language translation, with some impressive results. Despite its impressive capabilities, GPT-3 is not without its limitations. One of the biggest challenges with language models like GPT-3 is the issue of bias. Because the model is trained on a large corpus of text, it can sometimes pick up on biases and stereotypes that exist in the source material. This can lead to problematic or inappropriate output from the model, such as generating racist or sexist language. To mitigate this issue, researchers and developers are working on methods to detect and correct bias in language models. Another challenge with GPT-3 is its computational requirements. Because the model is so large, it requires significant computational resources to train and run. This means that it may be inaccessible to smaller organizations or individuals who do not have access to powerful computing infrastructure. To address this issue, researchers are exploring ways to make GPT-3 more efficient and accessible, such as using techniques like model compression and knowledge distillation. Despite these challenges, GPT-3 represents a major milestone in the development of AI language models. The model's size, versatility, and impressive capabilities make it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications, from chatbots and virtual assistants to content creation and language translation. As researchers continue to refine and improve language models like GPT-3,